Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bethany and I'm so happy to meet you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing knowledge about how to write a song. So if you're somebody who's looking for ideas or advices on how to write your song or how to improve your songwriting skills, then this video is for you. I'm gonna make a disclaimer first that I am not a professional singer or a songwriter. I don't have any record label or any producer behind me. I'm just somebody who has been writing songs for a little over 10 years, and I think it would be nice if I share some knowledge of songwriting with you guys. If you want to see more video like this, please considering click the subscribe button or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. The most important thing that you should know when you're writing a song is that there is no absolute secret formula to write a song. Some people come up with the lyrics first. Some people come up with melody first. Some people can only do that if they're doing both at the same time. Personally, I just like to go with the flow because sometimes I got the lyrics first and then sometimes I come up with the melody first. So what matters to me the most is that to write the first ideas that comes to my mind. And then the other thing that you want to do when you're writing a song is that to find a topic. There's a lot of topics that you can write a song of. For example, you can write about heartbreaks, you can write about friendship, about families, about life or dreams or your passions. And sometimes it's really good to write the ideas first and then come up and develop the lyrics later. The more relatable your lyrics are, the more people are going to like it, because it's raw, it's your emotion, and it makes people feel like, oh, I've been through that too. I'm glad that I'm not the only person feeling that, and that is what makes them want to listen to your song over and over again. Just listen to All Too Well by Taylor Swift. I mean, how many of us are actually feeling like we got lost in translations? Yeah. One of the most important things in songwriting, especially the lyrics, is I tend to use my dominant emotion as a guideline. Let's say, for example, I'm writing a song about heartbreak, but my dominant emotion about that particular topic is confusion or maybe anger, and I would really like to write something based on that emotion. I'm gonna give an example of one of the songs that I wrote of my dominant emotion, and that is a song I wrote called Chris. It's a heartbreak song. It's a goodbye, farewell, the person you love kind of song, but my dominant emotion that I used to write that song was confusion. So if you want to listen to that song, I'm going to post it up there so you can just click it and listen to it as a reference. Next, you want to find your instrument. Pick an instrument that you're comfortable with, or if you can only play one instrument, that is completely fine. Just pick your instrument. It can be a guitar, it can be a piano, it can be a ukulele, whatever it is, whatever you're comfortable with, and just play along with the key until you find the vibe that fits your lyrics and your topic. When I still have my piano, I like to write a lot of sad songs on my piano, but now that I have my guitar and I really want to write a really sad songs, then I will go with a very melancholic kind of chords or play it with an arpeggios if I feel like, or maybe I can just make the song sounds like really sad. I mean, the strumming sounds like really sad. I'm gonna give you an example. So there's a song in this channel that I wrote and it's called Vanilla Latte, and this is how it goes. It begins with a smile, then it turns into hello. Next stop, coffee shop, conversation started. So that is the original strumming pattern, that is the original vibe, because I want that song to sound like a very bubbly, girly kind of song. But if I want to make it sadder, I can just do it like this. It begins with a smile, then it turns into hello. Next stop, coffee shop, conversation started. Something like that. I know I messed up a little bit, but you got the idea. Now you got your topic, you got your lyrics, and now you got your keys, your chord progression. But what now? What if you can't continue writing that? And that, my friend, is why you need to record everything. I know that writing songs could be very overwhelming. It's a really long process depending on the song or your mood, of course. Well, I would just say that if you feel like it's starting to get overwhelming and you feel like you can't do this right now, take a break, but commit to yourself that you're going to finish that song today. Not tomorrow, but today. If you're writing a song, if you're having creativity but without disciplines, then you are not going anywhere. Do you know why those ballerinas can get on the tip of their toes and spinning around on the stage? That is because they are consistent, they have disciplines, and they are committed to themselves. You cannot be a person who has a lot of creativity, a lot of ideas with zero disciplines and zero commitment to yourself, because you are not going anywhere. I'm saying this based on my own experience. I have been writing songs for 10 years, but I hate finishing my songs. I hate making demos, but I really want to put my songs on a streaming platform. And the only way that I can actually do that I can actually reach that goal, is to set myself a priority and commit to that and tell myself that I'm going to finish this song, and then I'm going to make a demo, and then I'm going to reach out to a producer or whoever person out there who can help me reach this goal. So if you can't commit with finishing your song today, then you're not going to finish your song tomorrow, and then your song is going to pile up in your computer or in your notebook, and nobody's going to listen to that because you never finish it. I know that sometimes people are making excuses like, oh, I'm having writer's block, I can't really write something out of it, I don't know how to write anymore, I don't know what to write anymore. Well, the thing is, my friend, you can. The only thing that's holding you back is yourself. So what I'm telling you, you find yourself a reference, lots of reference. You listen to other genres, you listen to, let's say, Billie Eilish, you listen to, let's say, Queen, you listen to AC/DC, whatever you like, but still your goal is to not only to enjoy their music, but also to learn from them. Find a reference, because the more reference you have, the better your skill is going to be, because you have border knowledge or references. Yeah. Now we got a topic, we got the instrument, we got the melodies, you got it on recording because you don't want to forget the song that you just wrote, and now you've got the references, and now it's time to take the time to re-evaluate everything. Lyrics, melodies, vibe, topics, those are the most important elements in songwriting. You don't want to be that kind of person who write a song, oh, I just finished writing a song, this is it. But you want to write a song and you want to revise, and then you want to read the lyrics. Is this lyric okay? Are people going to understand what I'm trying to say in the story? Will people like it? Well, maybe not everyone will like your song, but at least people are not hating it. I remember The Rock said, if you can make it perfect, at least don't make it bad. But if you refuse to re-evaluate your songs, then I can guarantee the only person who really want to listen to your song is yourself. Now that you got the lyrics, you got the melodies, you got everything, you have done re-evaluating your song. Now it's time to fix the structure. A song will have the typical structure of first, pre-chorus, chorus, first, bridge, chorus, and then bridge, and then an outro. It's really important to write your song in chronological order so that people will not misunderstood or misinterpret the meaning of the song. Now you got the topic, you got the melody, you have revised it, and then you use some references. You fix the structure, and what you want to do now is to sing it as a whole. Sometimes I did not come with the title before I sing it as a whole, because I don't want to get stuck into a title and not knowing where I want this song to go. It would be ideal if you just not worrying about the title and then you just sing it as a whole, and once you sing it and once you know how this song is going to sound like, how you want people to understand the song, and then you can give the title that you want. What the title is, it's entirely up to you. And for the title itself, it's a really tricky part, because the title should be referring into something that you highlight in the song, or even something that is not written in the lyrics but it's referring into the event that inspired the song. For example, my song Chris, I didn't write Chris in the lyrics, but because that song was inspired by Chris, then I write the song Chris. If you want to know more about Chris or about Chris the song, of course not the person, please let me know down in the comment below, because I would really like to share it with you guys. Just type in I want to know Chris. Now on to the next thing that I wish I would tell myself when I just started writing song as a 14 years old, is that don't worry if it sounds bad, because you can always revise. And that is why, well, I think I should have said this earlier, but you know, when you're writing songs, you might hate it, especially if it's your first time, but since it's yours, you have the full authority to change it. When you got your song ready, what you want to do is to get some feedbacks. Do not hesitate to ask for feedbacks from your friends, from your family, from anyone that you trust. For me personally, I like receiving feedbacks from people through the internet, because well, people around me doesn't really give a damn about what I'm doing actually, so it's really fun to just put my song on the internet and then ask other people, what do you think of my song? Is there anything that I can improve in my writings? I tend to send some of my raw recordings to my friends and ask them, hey, what do you think about this song? And then they be like, oh, I don't like this part, it sounds cringy, or it sounds weird, maybe you can change it like this. And that is really good, because it helps you grow as an artist, it helps you grow as a writer. But if you're not open for any constructive criticism, then you can't go anywhere. If you really want to write a song, have a really thick skin, because not everyone are going to like or appreciate your music, not everyone are going to be supportive towards you. But one thing that matters is that just keep on doing what you love. If it's worth doing, then it is worth overdoing. Remember what The Rock said, if you can make it perfect, at least don't make it bad. Now thank you guys very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this video is helpful. And if you're somebody who really wants to write a song but you have no idea how to write a song, reach out to me on Instagram or on Twitter or on the comment section below, because I would really love to listen to your song. I would really love to give you feedbacks and advices. So yeah, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And if you're a singer or a songwriter or any music maker out there and you want to work with me, you want to co-write with me, I'm going to leave my Fiverr link down on the description box below, so you can book a session with me. Now thank you guys very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button, and I'll see you guys again on my next video. Bye bye.